Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ethereum, we are trading at $1,169. 24-hour volume, we're up 82%, and market cap, we are down 3.66%. Heading over to our daily chart here, we do see another rejection from our 20 moving average here. So here's the 20 moving average, which is this yellow line. We've seen a rejection one, two, and then currently today as well. If we take a look at the bodies of our candlesticks as well, it is a huge selling pressure as we saw the stock RSI initiating that selling opportunity here as we were considered as overbought at 98%. So we can see the K line coming in, crossing underneath our D line here, and we can anticipate that the price and the RSI is going to continue to drop. However, I do want to show you one thing here with our Bollinger Bands, and Bollinger Bands give us some hints what the price market may look like going into. So as we see the Bollinger Bands were expanded here, that means higher volatility. Price is going to move fairly quickly here. Now, we did see it pinch. However, the pinch itself was not an actual pinch as it came inwards and then expanded. We can see the upper band kind of expanded inwards and the lower band is expanding inwards as well. So when we typically see this, and the channel of the upper band and the lower band is going narrowing, it essentially means that price is going to consolidate. And that simply means that price is going to come down to an area of support, come up to an area of resistance, and do this until there is an initial breakout of the 20 moving average, either in a downtrend, breaking the area of support, or breaking an area of resistance and closing above the 20 MA. As an example here for our Bollinger Band's reaction, we can see that the price was narrowing in until we actually broke out in an uptrend of the expansion of the Bollinger Band. So be very cautious here. I do have some targets here as an area of resistance. We can see already in a cross between our 50 and our 20% fib retracement at 1,220. So this is going to be an area here treated as an area of resistance. And hopefully, again, this is going to be an area of support here at 78% of our fib, our golden number at $1,132. So we're going to be watching this fairly closely on a daily time frame to see if we're going to be breaking out either an uptrend or a downtrend. Heading over to immediate short term for 2 hours, we did see several indicators of our moving averages. So whenever we see a lower moving average cross over a higher moving average, we typically see a golden cross, and that is going to be for a long term, a long term for an uptrend. But what we saw shortly after this golden cross here from our 20 crossing above our 200 moving average was the complete opposite. And here is our death cross as well. So our golden cross didn't really last as long until we saw that death cross, and now price itself is retracing down to this area of supply and demand. And I'm just going to pinch out here because our supply and demands is ultimately where the price is going to go to if we're not able to hold the area of supply. So if we can see here, there's a few nodes that's sticking out here. Most importantly, this node here, if the price is not able to hold on to support at $1,159, the price is going to lead to the next area of supply, and it's this node here at $1,129. So we are in the middle chunk section here, and of course, it's going to be treated the same as support turned into resistance for our supply or our volume profile. So if we're going to zoom in, we're going to take a look at the previous course action of our candlestick here. Again, we can see the 100 moving average is treated as a resistance line. We fail to break above it and close above it with these candlesticks. Instead, what we have is long range candlesticks. So these wicks at the very top here, it shows us pressure of the buying opportunity, but we can see that we haven't created a higher high compared to this higher peak here. So we may see that consolidation coming up to an area of resistance at 23% of our fib, and then coming down to an area of support here at 1157. If we take a look at a few indicators here, we can see that the dying down of this bear market may soon come to an end. However, it may initiate a third wave, depending on the spaces in between our signal line, which is this orange line, and our MACD indicator. If we see these two lines spread further apart, we're going into a third wave of this bear action and may actually break through the 1157 price point. Now, another factor here is the RSI. It may trigger a buying opportunity by, again, having these lines or the buying opportunity was back here. And if the RSI continues to go up, the price may come up to this area of resistance only, depending on the momentum of our MACD indicator. Now we can see that this line so far is angled downwards. Keep in mind the 2-hour candlestick has not ended quite yet, so it could also expand opposed to contract inwards. If we do see the white line come below the pink line here, which is our D line, it is going to have a selling opportunity hint, and price again is going to retest our area of support at 1157. So that is my update here for Ethereum. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely let me know down below in the comments, like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys next time.